Welcome to the first tutorial of my Tableau Server Client series. This series is dedicated to showcasing how to use Tableau Server Client to automate various tasks to save you and your team time and hundreds, if not thousands, of clicks. Let's dive in by answering the question, what is Tableau Server Client? Tableau Server Client is a Python library allowing you to communicate with your Tableau server to perform various actions, including, but not limited to, the following. Publish Tableau objects like workbooks, data sources, and flows. Add, update, and remove objects like users, groups, workbooks, data sources, etc. Refresh data through the execution of flows or extract refreshes. Manage permissions, among others. Let's take a look at the topics I will cover throughout this playlist. On this page and the next is a list of topics I will cover throughout this series. I will start off by walking you through how to connect to your server for the first time and the querying of server objects. When I say objects, think content, so flows, data sources, workbooks, etc., but also users and groups. After learning how to get started with Tableau Server Client, I will discuss how to generate various reports focused on a specific object or content type. At the end of this series of videos discussing report generation, I'll show you how to put it all together into a single report. The 3 videos following the discussion on creating reports will be dedicated to refreshing data sources produced by the execution of a flow and by extract refreshes. Subsequent tutorials focus on modifying objects on your server and various tasks that I have bucketed into a miscellaneous section. Based on the feedback of viewers and their questions, additional tutorials will be added. I'm very excited to share with you a step-by-step tutorial on these topics. See you in the next video where the magic begins by connecting to your Tableau server using Tableau Server Client. If you enjoyed this video, then please like the video and subscribe to my channel for notifications on future videos. Thank you again, and see you next time.